another video. Today we are going to be working on my E34. I have not been driving my E34 that much lately, and the reason why is simply because it sucks to drive, to be honest. I have not talked to you that much about that before, but yeah, it sucks to drive, to be honest. When I'm driving over 80 kilometers an hour ish, 70, 80, sometimes 60, the steering wheel shakes a lot, and I don't think it's the wheels or the tires actually. I think it's a bearing underneath the car in the drivetrain. There is I think it's called caster bearing, at least in Norwegian it's called caster bearing. We will remove the old bushing and I will buy some new PowerFlex bushing. Those are like harder than OEM bushings, and that is good for a sports car like this is, or like an upgraded car. So yeah, really excited to see how the car will perform after I've installed this. You see? No good. It's not comfortable to drive an old car starting to shake like that. But today will help for that. I think it's castered. Did you see that? That wheel just moved like that. Damn, not good. Okay, wrenching at my buddies today. Let's see if his SL500 will start after a long winter. Oh yeah. This is a Mercedes Paradise SL500, and here we have his 500 SEC. Sweet. 190 SL500, brand new Mercedes, and that. Okay, my exhaust is kind of low, so I'm hoping I will not scrape into this garage because, yeah, it's kind of high, but let's just hope for the best. Sorry to do that. Woohoo! Nice! Oh yeah! We got both arms out eventually. That was a real pain to get out. Press with a jack underneath and hit it hard many times with a hammer and it should go out. We used probably 40-50 minutes on just that little sucker. But yeah, so we're going to replace that one right there, and that will be much stiffer and harder. So we'll have to press those out and then insert the new PowerFlex bushings. Here we have what I have bought. It is PowerFlex bushings, and those are actually really simple to install. I mean, every bushing should be like this. You don't have to press these in because you can simply, they are two pieces. So you can simply do like this. Take this out, and you can press it from each side like that. And then take this like that and just press it in. So you can do this by hand, I think, on this once this is out. So now let's press this out and mount the poly bearing instead, and I think this will be hopefully a good upgrade. I don't know, but yeah, hopefully the car will feel a lot better. I'm excited. Never done this before. I don't think I've ever swapped the bearing or something. I don't know. Yeah, I have, but I never swapped to Powerflex bushings before, so quite cool. Oh yeah. Nice. Next. That's the old bearing. That's how that looks. Sweet. How easy this should be. We'll simply split it like that, and then we'll see, just simply, oh my god, that was one, and then the other, and then put this. Okay, that was a little bit harder than I thought. Don't know why, but I will just... I don't know why that was kind of hard, but I'm gonna use the machine since I have it. I heard someone say that these squeak a lot, so that's why I'm trying to lubricate them so they will not squeak that much. Sweet! Perfect, it looks good as well. My first Powerflex bushing. Sweet! I like that a lot. We got the Powerflex bushings back to the garage, so now it's time to install them. Yeah, things escalated, things took a lot longer than I thought, but now let's pack it up and I will film tomorrow and tomorrow we will see if it's actually any better. I think it is, I hope. But yeah, I will come back to you tomorrow because now it's late, I need to go home, work early in the morning, not good. I've been testing the E34 and it actually rides a lot better. It does not shake anymore or anything, and it feels a lot more stable when going at higher speeds, so, or at lower speeds as well. I mean, it was starting to shake at around like 60 and 70 kilometers an hour. No good. So now that issue is fixed with that new bushing from Powerflex, or poly bushing. So yeah, I'm really happy with the result, and now the car feels much more comfortable to drive than it did before, because before it was seriously not good at all. So really enjoying this car now, and I'm so excited to put new modifications on this and just make it better and better and better. So yeah, that's it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed, and I have bought some other Polyflex bushings I will probably install later as well. But first, I think actually next episode will be summer tires, I don't know. And yeah, I'm excited for this build. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.